Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some Wingstop today. So I have cheese fries and 15-piece wings. This is garlic parmesan and Hawaiian. Yeah. I have some blue cheese and some cheese for my fries and some water. So, how y'all doing? Y'all miss me? I know it's been a while since I did a mukbang. So, Happy New Year. I'm late. I'm like 6 days late, but okay. So let me first say, I'm not a regular cheese fries eater. I don't really eat fries like this by itself. But I wanted to try it. So let's see how it tastes. Hope it tastes good. They didn't even have napkins or nothing. But I like their fries by itself. It don't taste bad. I like it. Alright. This is the first time I'm having garlic parmesan wings. So, dang, they got all of, look at it. All the parmesan on there. You see a lot? Blue cheese, so I'm addicted to the blue cheese. I like that song. Alright, let's go for the have a bite. Alright, let's see. Oh, I should eat it by itself first. I'm sorry. It's good. Not bad. It's not bad at all. Very cool. I like Wingstop wings. I like the wings, but I think I still prefer Buffalo Wild Wings. The wings is good. It's good, but yeah. I need a napkin. Instead of I'm having Wingstop. The first time I tried the wings, I had mango habanero and Hawaiian. Yeah, with Hawaiian. The Hawaiian tastes so good. I love it. I've been sleeping on cheese fries, but I'm just simple. I don't really like all that extra stuff. But I just wanted to try it today. See how it tastes. I like it. I will eat this again. So, Trump supporters acting up today, huh? White privilege at its best. I see them taking selfies with the cops and stuff. I'm like, let that be a black person. They asked to be shot already. That's crazy. And I just noticed that I said Happy New Year. Look how the year started off already. I don't want to talk about none of that. But, or you're just going to get me mad. I'm trying to enjoy this food. But yeah. Yeah, I choose wings, Buffalo Wild Wings. But Wingstop wings is good though. Right. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try with the cheese. I'm gonna try. Ooh, Okay, I don't. Yeah, see, y'all be talking about flats or drumsticks. It don't matter to me. Okay? I'm gonna try with the cheese. Yeah, I'll taste with the cheese. Mm. Mm. This a wine. Oh yeah, it tastes good. Mm. But yeah, I don't care. It don't matter to me whether drums or sticks. Drums or sticks. Drums are flat. I eat both of them. It don't matter. Cheese fries, wow. I was sipping on cheese fries for real. It tastes really good. I didn't expect this. I'm not used to I ain't American, so I don't eat like this. Cheese fries or whatever. I'm not used to cheese fries. It's a plain fries. Okay, so yeah, that's all. It's simple. But it tastes good though. I ain't gonna lie, it tastes good. And I will eat it again. I thought the guy was gonna give me when you order the wings, it comes in a box. I didn't know he was gonna give me this. Cause the last time I ordered 10-piece, and it was 2 separate box, so I didn't know he was gonna give me the whole 15-piece in this thing. But, Alright, waiting for another wing. Parmesan. Garlic parmesan. Alright, we're gonna try it with the blue cheese. I don't think I'll eat this again though. I just wanted to try it. It's good, but not so much I can try for me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I choose Buffalo Wild Wings. Even though this is black owned. I see that they try to fry the wings crispy, but because I'm used to Buffalo Wild Wings, I'm gonna go with them. And I think it tastes better to me. Tastes better. The fries is a little soft because tastes good. It tastes good like this. You gonna get it? Oh, I'm gonna throw it in my hand. Alright, what cheese is this again? Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. Blue cheese over ranch any day. Don't come for me. God didn't send for you. Don't come for me. Because I said what I said. Okay? Blue cheese over ranch any day. I can't eat ranch. I don't like ranch dressing. I don't like nothing ranch. I'm lying. I like the Doritos. I have the only thing ranch I would eat. It's Doritos. But chicken with the sauce, no. I'll pass. Man, I'm getting full already. That's crazy because all that. I ate breakfast this morning. I had cereal. Went to work. All I was drinking was water. Because I didn't get these acne on my face. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to fast back on my face. Nah, it was just for today. I can't fast like that. Yeah, we'll try. I just drink the water straight until dinner time. I don't know if I can do that. I probably can, but I don't want to. I'm getting full, bro. I just ate. How many wings I ate? 1, 2, 4. Is it 4? What's wrong with me? I get full so quick. Alright, we're gonna cheese. We're gonna use cheese this time. Look at this. I'm gonna swipe it in there. Let's crack my phone. Excuse me. Mango. I mean, not mango. Hawaiian. It's the sauce to me. It's so good. It's crazy because I was craving rice. Like the Caribbean in me wanted rice. With all this. Because I had chicken. Man, damn, I want some rice. How y'all eat ranch sauce? I'm trying to figure out. I feel like I don't like the smell. So that alone is the reason why I'm not on like the sauce. That's the smell for me. I don't like the sauce. I'm not like the sauce. But yeah, blue cheese sauce is different. Then I'm killing it. Doing with Parmesan cheese. Look at that. Look at that. Getting full. Yeah. I'm full. This is the end of my food. So I have to show you when I put up the cheese on there. My bad. I was hungry. And that's all that's left. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.